Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Mag-asawang Jong Hilario at Maia Azores, ipinasok na rin ang kanilang anak na si Sarina sa music class. Ayon sa mga ito, nakitaan nila si Sari na mahilig sa pag-awit, kaya tinanong nila kung gusto niya sa music school, at talaga namang nagustuhan daw ni Sari. Napaka-excited pa daw ni Sarina sa kanyang first day of class. Ito ang kanyang nakaka-good vibes na video sa kanyang unang araw sa music class nito.
Here we go, Sari! Is ever gonna rain? To go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts.
Smile ka, smile.
Close my eyes.
Lakasan mo boses mo.
And if it's time to try to fly.
Smile ka pag kumakanta.
I think I'll try.
Pag may boses din, dapat.
In gravity, and you can bring me down.
Lakasan mo boses mo, ha?
Understand, you're having delusions of grandeur. I threw a tempting look.
Lakas, lakas.
Cause someone says they're so. Some things I can't change.
Lakas.
Here I come, never know.
Smile.
Who I've been afraid of.
Losing love. Lakas, lakas.
Love is what that's love.
Too high. Boses, boses. Wow!
Someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying so low, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Go, go, go!
Hinga malalim. Wow, may head voice din siya. Pero try mo habaan, ha? No wizard.
Wizard that there is or
Here we go, Sari!
is ever gonna rain.
Yay! Number Isa na lang, habalo yung huli-huli, ha? Habalo yung huli-huli. Hindi yung malalim.